Hey team, Tim Thomas, welcome to the video. Lend me your ears for just a few moments. I want to show you something that is just absolutely converting like anything I've seen in a long time. We have down pat the system. But before we get started, go ahead and like the video, hit the like button and the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Make sure you like the video. It helps rank the video higher. I really appreciate it. And consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. This channel is about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Folks, generating $14,000 per month in monthly commission selling products. Is it even possible? We're going to talk about it. I believe it is possible. Of course, income disclaimer, in life, nothing happens until you take action. And you do a lot of it, and you do it over and over again. But I want to show you what the system is doing. If you can mail a postcard, all you do is mail postcards. We can buy solo ad traffic with quality clicks, generate good quality clicks. You can choose to tell somebody, you can use a business card, you can do word of mouth, however you want to promote this business, as long as it's doing it ethically and having integrity. Selling our products and service. Our supplement grid products are absolutely incredible. I'm gonna show you a few of them, but I want to show you. I had 10 signups utilizing this system, 10 signups in one day with this system, driving traffic, mailing my postcards, and again, getting good quality traffic. Look what happened, folks. You can't make this up. 10 signups in one single day in this opportunity. I am telling you what, this is incredible. 10 signups in one single day. Can you join the supplement grid? Get started with us and allow your dreams to become reality. It is absolutely possible simply by mailing this postcard, sending traffic to this system. You can generate $14,000 per month. It is possible. We have a video presentation. When you get a chance, watch this entire video and take a look. Click that you're ready to join. Get signed up today. We'll get you a site just like this, folks, and we'll get you off to the races. I am telling you what, our team is growing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on autopilot, but you got to get it going. You got to get the ball rolling. It doesn't fall out the sky. If you promote it, folks, we've got the system. We've got a plug-and-play system. We figured it out. You get in and you can start earning that much per month. It is absolutely possible. I could not be more excited about what's lying ahead. Get on our conference calls. We have a conference call on Monday at 7 p.m. and we have one on Wednesday at 7 p.m. And also on this page here, when you get involved, we got the information to get on the call on the bottom of the page when you join. All right, that's my time for now for this video. Hope you have a wonderful day. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.
See